welcome back to A Couple of Kiddos.
Or if you're new here, welcome.
I'm Tim.
And I'm Clarissa.
We're at Disneyland.
Yeah, but it's gonna be our last time riding Splash Mountain.
Good old Splash Mountain.
I can't believe it's gonna be our last. I feel like I've been saying this for the last like 4 times we've been here. It's like, I gotta ride it. It's gonna be my last time. This is really my last time.
Yeah, May 30th. It's gonna be one of the last, I think the last day. So get here before if you can.
It's gonna be shut down for so long. I think it's gonna take at least 2 years to like get Tiana's Bayou. I am excited to see what they can do with Tiana's Bayou.
Very excited.
It's gonna be so amazing. But let's go on this last trip with us.
One last time.
Let's go.
All right, it's our last ride.
Last ride on Splash Mountain. Tim is brave to be in the I'm gonna hide behind you.
All right, here we go.
Okay, here's one.
How'd we do? Soaking wet. Oh, man. Oh, my God.
Where Fox has got his way in the darkness. Now we're back up.
the dark one. I am. Holy man.
I have sunscreen in my eyes now. Pretty wet. My dress is soaked.
Oh, okay. Oh. Let's do it.
We got a little what?
A little bit.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Oh my god. My shorts underneath, so I hiked up my skirt, so tight, so
Yeah.
sit down. My shorts are just soaked.
Yeah.
So,
Real stuff.
like my hair is fun. Yes, I'm gonna miss it. I can't wait for Tiana's bio.
Yeah.
But I cannot. Gonna miss this. I'm gonna miss a zippity doo all time.
Yeah.
But can't wait for the Tiana's bio. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Get them back to me. Come on, I know you can do it. Well, if you're not subscribed, go hit the subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up if you like this video and ring that notification bell for more videos like this. And then follow us at
Couple of Kiddos.
Until next time,
Bye.
have a zippity doo day.
And bye.